Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how you can check your network's ping on gaming ASUS TUF-AX4200. Let's begin. So, I am currently on the admin dashboard panel. Now, if you don't know how to access that panel, I would advise you to watch my tutorial on first basic setup and creating new network. Anyway, after you have done that, you want to scroll almost all the way down. Then head into bottom option called Network Tools. And here we have Network Analysis, Netstat and Wake on LAN. What we want to do is we want to go into Network Analysis and we can choose our method. We can go with ping or just simple ping, but we can go with continuous because continuous will give us a nice graph. Now we can choose our target. By default it's actually Google. We can choose a few different options, which as you will notice are probably the most basic and most popular sites, but I will leave with Google. And all you want to do is simply hit diagnose and we'll begin pinging our google.com. And by pinging we only mean basically trying to get information back to see the latency. And as you can see, our jitter or latency is very small with only 23 milliseconds, which is a very nice that's a very nice result. And because it's continuous, we can just keep it on and we can see a nice graph in a couple of moments. We can always switch it to a different, so we can go and ping YouTube, for example. And as you can see, we are now pinging YouTube, which has a slightly different rate, but it's much more different. Oh, that's actually pretty funny. The jitter is higher, but the average is lower. But anyway, that's all for the video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.